Hello, hi Ring. My name is Pramjit. I have completed my BTech from NSUD Delhi in computer science, and I have around 2 years of hands-on experience on JavaScript and Musk development, and around 6 months of professional experience as back-end developer intern at Flydocs, where my primary responsibilities was to develop microservices and optimize them, where I used Nest.js, Node.js, Postgres, and MongoDB for database. So today I build a full stack project named Mini eNest. So I used React.js for front end, Nest.js for back end, and Postgres for database. So why React? Why React and Tailwind for front end? Because React is easy, simple to use for small scale projects and single page applications. Why Nest.js for backend? Nest.js provides us a better MVC architecture, better modular approach, better dependency injections. So it makes our microservices more reliable, more maintainable, and more easily testable. Last, why I use Postgres? So Postgres, I had to store the features of stocks, markets, and watch lists. So it was better to use a tabular or relational database. So I chose Postgres for that. So let's start our project's demo. So this is my folder. Here is front end, here is back end. Here is my database. So we have to sign up. So I am taking an example of ABC with the email abc@gmail.com. Password 1234567 8. Let's confirm this password too. We need to provide PAN number also, as mentioned in assignment. So I am choosing a random number. We need to choose one photo. I am choosing my own photo. Select role. So here is my own account open. You can go to the any store. If you want to get some details about the stock, you can click on that. You will get the page. I have not the data here, but I can add. Admin can add all these data. So if I want to, if I want to add this Google Stock, I want to add Google Stock to my watch list. So this is my watch list. This is my invested values, my returns. This is the deposit value. All these data is coming from the back end side. So let's say I am want to add this Google in my watch list. So just click on that, go back. You will see Google updated in watch list. So here is my profile. You can click on that. You will get the page of your own profile. Here is all the stocks. Here is my watch list. Here is my current value, invested value, and total returns. So this is my all small eNest project. Thank you.